Picture this. A massive solar storm erupts, sending waves of electromagnetic energy hurtling toward Earth. Within hours, power grids collapse. No internet, no electronics. The lights go out, communication fails, and refrigeration stops. Life as we know it changes forever. What would you do? In moments like these, being prepared isn't just about having supplies. It's about having the skills to survive and thrive. Skills that allow you to adapt to uncertainty and build a sustainable life. Let's explore essential homesteading skills that will empower you to take control and thrive no matter the circumstances. Let's get started. Food preservation and preparation. When survival is at stake, food becomes your top priority. Let's start with ways to preserve and prepare it. Composting is the foundation of sustainability. By turning kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil, you can create a thriving garden, even in small spaces. Next is canning and preserving. Using simple tools like mason jars and a pressure canner, you can store fruits, vegetables, and even soups for years. A well-stocked pantry offers peace of mind in uncertain times. Fermentation is another powerful technique. Foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and yogurt are not only easy to make, but also rich in probiotics that support your health during stressful periods. For lightweight, shelf-stable options, consider dehydrating. Drying fruits, vegetables, and herbs preserves their nutrients and extends their shelf life without refrigeration. And while electricity lasts, freezing remains one of the simplest preservation methods. By properly preparing and packaging food, you can maximize its freshness for months. Food creation and cooking. Once your food is preserved, the next step is knowing how to prepare it. Bread making is a skill as old as time. With just a few ingredients, you can bake fresh, hearty bread to sustain your family. Cooking with whole ingredients teaches you to turn staples like rice, beans, and vegetables into nourishing meals, even with limited resources. And if you have access to fresh milk, dairy processing allows you to create butter, cheese, and yogurt, nutritious essentials that elevate any meal. Practical household skills. A homestead isn't just about food. It's about creating a functional and sustainable home. Clothing repair and sewing can extend the life of your wardrobe. Simple techniques like patching tiers or hemming pants make a big difference. Making candles and soap provides light and hygiene essentials. With just a few ingredients, you can create cost-effective and customizable products. And don't forget cleaning supplies. Using common ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils, you can create safe, effective cleaners for your home. Maintenance and repair. Maintaining your tools and equipment is critical for long-term self-sufficiency. Learning sharpening tools ensures that your knives, scissors, and garden tools stay efficient and durable. And knowing how to do laundry by hand ensures you always have clean clothes, even without electricity. Health and wellness. Your health is your greatest resource. Basic first aid equips you to handle minor injuries and illnesses. A well-stocked first aid kit and the knowledge to use it can make all the difference. Herbal medicine harnesses the power of nature to support your health. With herbs like chamomile, peppermint, and turmeric, you can create tinctures, concentrated liquid extracts used to treat internal ailments, or salves, which are soothing ointments for skin irritations or wounds. These remedies are simple to make and incredibly effective. For those with animals, understanding basic animal health care ensures your pets or livestock stay healthy and productive. Even small efforts can make a big difference. Planning and resource management. Homesteading isn't just about surviving today, it's about planning for tomorrow. Budgeting helps you manage your resources effectively, prioritizing essentials, and preparing for unexpected challenges. Bartering and trading allow you to exchange goods and services within your community, reducing reliance on cash and strengthening social connections. And then there's permaculture design, the art of creating a self-sustaining system that works with nature. By carefully planning the placement of plants, water systems, and structures, you can maximize efficiency, conserve resources, and create a thriving environment. Crafting and comfort. Comfort and creativity are also vital parts of a resilient homestead. Mastering efficient heating and cooling techniques, such as managing fireplaces or using passive cooling systems, ensures your home remains comfortable year-round while conserving resources. And with leatherworking, you can craft and repair durable goods like belts, bags, and tools. It's a skill that combines practicality with artistry, helping you create items that last for years. These essential skills are tools for building a sustainable life in the face of adversity. Which skill do you already have? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Stay prepared and stay empowered.